Hello! Today's the day. I'm getting not one, not two, but three, yes, three little modifications to my Audi RS4. So you know what to do. Sit back, relax, buckle that seatbelt up and enjoy the video. So I'm about to embark on a little road trip, going down to Audi Retrofit, I think they're called, down at Bolton. I'll get the proper name and details of the company and put it in the comments below. So there she is. Quite excited, that's what the shaking was about. So I'm going to be going for, if you can remember, last month I created a video about what mods I could do to the car. Happy with the performance, just wanted a few little extras. So I was inundated with replies, and I'm going to go for the reversing camera. Still can't believe a 70 grand car did not come with a reversing camera as standard. That Merc over there, Estate, came with it as standard, so why an RS4 didn't, God only knows. But yeah, that's got to be a proper Audi retrofit camera. And what else am I going for? I'm going to go for the shutting the boot via your key fob. So you can obviously open it via key fob, but not shut it. So I'm getting that done. And just mainly for the little lad, I'm going to be getting the DVD in motion. So that means that you can watch DVDs whilst the car's still on the road. At the moment, if you put a DVD in, you drive, the screen goes black. You can still hear the audio, and then once you stop, the video comes back on. So I'm getting that done. So time for a little road trip down the longest cul-de-sac in the world, the A590, down onto the M6, and yeah, I'll be in Bolton in a couple of hours. See you soon. Here outside Royle Auto Services in Blackrod, just getting the final little mods done, and then I can be on my merry way back to Moody Towers, and then I'll let you know what all the mods are like. There it is in the background. You see? There we go. Got was the remote boot lid closing feature. So for those that are in the know, I think everywhere in the world Audi do sell it as an optional extra, but in the UK for some reason they don't do it. So here we go. Open the car, press the boot release, and it opens. Now to shut it, I've got to get off my fat ass and go towards the boot. Instead I just do 2 clicks. And there you go. Boom. How about that? There is the reversing camera. Just there. So it's integrated as part of the boot handle. You can't really tell that it's there unless you're crouching down like I am now. And yeah, really happy with it. I'll show you the quality of the screen. So here it is. Put it into reverse, and then there you go. Full Audi original rear view camera with all the lines fully integrated with the 3G Plus multimedia interface, and then the lines obviously move when you move the steering wheel. So DVD in motion is literally exactly what it says on the tin. You've got the DVD on, you can see it playing, It's a trailer on our Despicable Me 2 DVD from the lad. Put it into drive and away we go. There you go. Easy. Should keep the little bugger entertained in the car when we're on long journeys. But yeah, just another nice little feature. Well, that's all the mods I've done up to now. So that's it for this video. That's the reversing camera, DVD in motion, and remote boot locking facility feature from your keypad or key fob. Right, that's it, I think. Another video done and dusted. As I said earlier, I would get the details of the company that's done all these mods advertised properly. So they are called Royle Auto Services. He's a chap in Blackrod, just outside of Bolton. I'll put his link in the description below. He's also on Instagram, I think, as Audi Retrofit. Talking of Instagram and social media, give us a like and a subscribe and a follow. I've got numerous social media accounts and I'm desperate for some followers. Please, just give me a few likes and subscribes. To that end, I shall bid you farewell and I look forward to seeing you all soon with another up and coming video. Ciao.